Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Immigration, your one-stop to travel, work, study and settle abroad. Guys, today we are going to talk about Canada, as Canada has made many changes in its work permit rules. These changes are aiming to stop the illegal cash jobs to make the work permit process clearer and safer. Well, it is important for both the employers and employees to understand the rules to avoid legal problems and follow the Canadian rules. Basically, the Canadian government has made these changes to stop the illegal practices and make the whole procedure clearer and safer. Well, what are cash jobs? Cash jobs is the amount which is paid by the employers to the employees in order to avoid tax, and these cash jobs are illegal in Canada. What is flag polling? Well, flag polling is a practice when someone re-enters Canada quickly to get a work permit. The new rules have restricted this practice. How can I get a work permit? Well, to get a work permit, follow the legal process. Apply directly to employers, make sure all your documents are valid and avoid agents. Well, what is an LMI? An LMI is a document that some employers need to hire foreign workers. It proves that there are no Canadians available to do the job. Well, how can I avoid problems with my work permit? To avoid problems, make sure you pay your taxes, work legally, and keep yourself updated with the changes in the work permit rules. Well, always work legally, ensure your job is documented, and stay updated with the latest regulations. The new changes in the Canada's work permit rules definitely will stop the illegal cash jobs and make the procedure safer and clearer. So here we come to an end with our video, but we will keep coming back with more such information and news. So stay tuned and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.